Hello everyone. Today we will make a Thai dish. We eat papaya salad, ส้มตำ and grilled chicken ไก่ย่าง Let's go.
Let's go. The first step is to marinate the chicken. I put garlic, coriander root, and pound it.
Next step, add it to the chicken. Put soy sauce, oyster sauce, pork favorite seasoning powder, and brown sugar. And mix well. Mix already and leave for about 15 minutes.
After 15 minutes, I will bring the chicken that we marinate to grill.
Grill grilling chicken. Let's eat. Make papaya salad with some time. Okay. Put nicely. Garlic into the mountain and you crazy. I have a friend. I want to pasta.
Yeah, give you peso.
Yes. Thank you.
Put long bean, Thai eggplant, and brown onion. Next step, put brown sugar, dyed shrimp, fish sauce, and lime juice. Fermented fish sauce, pickled crab, mix well. Raw papaya, tomato, peanut, oh, looks so good. You try it.
Oh yes. I will try.
Yeah. Oh. It's
Mm.
good.
That's good. You want to try?
Yeah.
Are you feeling?
Oh, it's salt. Just kidding. It's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now chicken is cooked. Now everything is ready.
We are have papaya salad, grilled chicken, fruit, sticky rice, snack, and Coca-Cola.
Thank you.
Bye.